Hi, and welcome to the Sales Boosting Sales Page Review. I absolutely love this package. I only launch it every now and again because it always fills up and everyone always kind of gets really excited. So basically what it involves is if you have a launch coming up, I will review your sales page and I will help you optimize it for conversions. So I will do my very special clever trick, which involves doing voice of customer research to make sure we're really getting into the hearts and minds of your audience. I use all my sales psychology knowledge, I use persuasion principles, and we really optimize it for conversions. Send it all back to you with all my suggestions, and then you can go then and apply them. And it really does get great results. I have seen clients kind of boost their conversions by quite a number of percentages. And as we all know, for launches, that can mean the difference between 5, 10, 15 more students or clients in your course or membership. So it's a really, really powerful little kind of package that can really make a huge difference to your launch. So I would love to work with you on it. If you have a launch coming up of your course or your membership and you know you've got this sales page that could be converting better, maybe you've just had it for a few launches now and you're so close to it that you can't kind of sit back and see what you might need changing, or your last launch maybe didn't convert as well as the one before that. Let me have a look at your sales page. Let me optimize it for conversions. Let me bake in all that sales psychology, and let's make your upcoming launch an amazing success.